Hello everyone, today we are reviewing the WAINLUX Z4 portable mini laser engraving machine. This little machine has some impressive features that make it a great choice for those looking for a portable and easy-to-use engraving solution. In this video, we'll take a closer look at its features, performance, and overall functionality. First, let's take a look at what comes in the box. Inside the box, you'll find a power adapter, USB cable, and some accessories, safety goggles, an orange anti-blue light cover, and the laser engraver itself. After unboxing the second box, you will find a user manual and an engraving stand. Now let's take a closer look at the product. The Z4 is a miniature folding laser engraving machine that is both portable and easy to use. It has a sleek and modern design with a black and silver color scheme. The lift and hidden body design make it easy to carry and store, making it the perfect portable art studio you can take anywhere. It also comes with built-in safety goggles that reduce harmful blue light from the laser, allowing you to safely observe the engraving process without harming your eyes. To set up the device, you need to plug in the power adapter. Then you need to connect your phone or computer to the device via Bluetooth or USB. You can use the free app or software provided by WAINLUX to select or create your design and adjust the settings. The app has a simple interface and supports various file formats. You can also choose from 4 engraving modes: black and white, discrete, outline, and grayscale. Before you start engraving, you need to place your material on a flat surface and adjust the height of the laser head according to the thickness of the material. The device has an automatic fixed focus feature that projects a preview of your image on the surface before engraving. This helps you align your design and avoid mistakes. The WAINLUX Z4 has a 4.5-watt laser power that makes it faster and more powerful than other portable engraving machines. It can engrave on materials such as cardboard, wood, leather, cloth, bamboo, plastic, acrylic, and decoupage with high precision and quality. It can also engrave on metal surfaces such as stainless steel, aluminum, and copper if they are painted or coated with thermal transfer paper. The machine is also equipped with 36,000 mm per minute engraving speed and a tiny compressed spot of 0.05 mm, ensuring that creative works are more precise and coherent. Speaking of safety, the Z4 comes with several features that ensure safe operation. The built-in exhaust cart prevents any fumes from the engraving process from affecting the final design and helps with heat dissipation. The machine also has motion protection and overheat monitoring. If the internal temperature approaches its thermal threshold or it detects unexpected motion during operation, it will shut down immediately to ensure the safety of users and equipment. The device also has a built-in safety orange anti-blue light cover that reduces harmful blue light from the laser, allowing you to safely observe the engraving process without harming your eyes. The WAINLUX Z4 comes with handheld and desktop modes, allowing users to have a comfortable engraving experience. The handheld mode, you can engrave anywhere you want, whatever the surface is. The desktop mode is designed for stationary use, and it comes with an adjustable base for perfect engraving results. Here, I will show all the scenes I engraved and the results. As you can see, the results are quite impressive. The lines are crisp and clear, and the engraving is precise and reliable. Overall, the WAINLUX Z4 is a great choice for those looking for a portable and easy-to-use engraving solution. It is fast, powerful, and has a wide range of engraving materials that it can work with. The safety features ensure a safe engraving experience, and the app provides a simple and intuitive interface for creating and editing designs. If you're looking for an engraving solution that can go with you wherever you go, then the WAINLUX Z4 is a great choice. I highly recommend it. Well, that's all for this video. We hope you enjoyed learning more about this amazing laser engraver. If you did, hit that like button and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching and have a great day.